inclining your body towards me so I can see both your hands. Okay?
In Berkeley County,
That is snoring, not growling.